I know. I bought my tools. I'm gonna check that alternator.
Alright, so rundown of what's going on today. We're wet sanding, compounding, and polishing, or buffing, as you would like to call it. The paint is rough. It needs to be wet sanded and all that. So that's what we're gonna get to do today.
Alright, so Devin's going to get compound. I'm going to start working on the steering wheel because we never actually tightened and torqued down the bolt. So the hub is actually not fully secured on here. He's going to show you that. I'm going to go ahead and start working on this.
This 2000.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put the steering wheel on, check it out, make sure that's not gonna come off, because no, that's never a good idea. There we go. Alright, it's not going anywhere. Just like that. Alright, just like that. Oh, already doing the buffering.
Just from wet sanding. It got really smooth. The color is starting to come out a little bit more.
This feels really, really weird. So it's been about a couple days or a week or so since we did this last time. I don't know if I filmed it or not, but oh shit, there goes sandpaper. But we got some products to show here, got some advertising and stuff, but all this is gonna be a separate episode where it's gonna be like all nice and stuff, just like kind of behind the scenes of all this. But right now, trying this new Ultra Cut compound, see if the paint will come out better. A little booth right here. It looks kind of ridiculous now, but when the video is edited, it'll look nice. What's up? What are you up to? Are you being a lazy fuck?
Yeah. I'm taking videos of myself.
I'm taking video of you right now.
I know.
Yeah. Steady trying to take the high road, but they make it so hard. They love to tell you dream big, till you take it too far. They can tell you what you're doing wrong, but could never do it like you. If they can't put a label on you, ain't no telling what you might do. Made a lot of changes, I had to do it. Difference between me and them is I can see the wall before I crash into it. I saw the country this year twice, some people missing. I gave some people a hint, I guess we'll see who listen. Crazy when your dream is right in front of you. I've been so caught up in day to day, to me it's nothing new. When did we get here and why didn't we celebrate it? Think I learned that when I really make it, I won't have to say it.
Been some time later, Devin's continuing wet sanding the entire rear end over here, except the bumper right now. Apparently we also were told that we weren't allowed to be here apparently because the house is on for sale, so we've been cutting power, so all we have is the core drill, and we gotta do this by hand. We got a battery on charge, but I don't know how long that will last us.
I feel okay, but I feel the pressure. Fell into some old ways to get me feeling better. It never lasts. People say let it pass. People talk and people get dismissed like the end of class. I feed on that. If I cut a record, then I bleed on that. They want me underground, but I'd rather keep my feet on that. Used to really play the background, looking up to cats, but couldn't tell you where they're at now. It's crazy. I don't know if they got lazy.
Take the hood, grind it back down to bare metal. put more primers, repainting, more clear coat. It's gonna be so much money. It's hard. With the money that I put into the paint, I could have bought a fucking exhaust system on everything by now.
You want to go around the block and get a couple of rolling shots?
That's why I'm out here like the delegate. That's why I'm out here like the delegate. That's why I'm out